The Viva Meetings Learning Center provides convenient access to information about Viva Meetings products and features.
Hi, so today we're going to talk about how to schedule a meeting or webinar. To start things off, we'll have you log into your account. And once you're logged in, you'll be presented with this screen with the following dashboard. Go ahead and click on Schedule. And here we'll go ahead and put in a title. And then you can go in and choose a time and date for the meeting. And over here, you can choose your time code. I'll be inviting somebody over from New York. So I'll go in, and to make sure that I have the right time code, I'll click here and choose New York. Hit save. Now I can go in and set 4 p.m. New York time, and we'll choose how many hours, 2 hours. You have the option to put in a description, and if you want to automatically record, select here. And down here, really quick, we'll just note automatic live stream is only available on the Pro plan. If you'd like it to automatically live stream, select here. But we'll go into more detail about this in another demo. If you click here, you can set it to repeat. And right over here, you can repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. So if your meeting repeats weekly, choose this one. And we'll say, for example, it's every Wednesday, and it repeats twice. So I'll go ahead and click Save. Oh, and here, because we've selected every Wednesday, I'm just going to go back and look here. Okay, so it's telling us here we've selected the meeting on Thursday. So if it repeats every Wednesday, we can't select Thursday. So I'll just go in here and change it to Wednesday. Over here, another important feature is security settings. This right here is only available on the Plus and the Pro plans. So if we click on security settings, it's already set to generate random access codes automatically. And we'll see that is the default with no passcode. If you'd like to make it more secure, select this option and enter your unique passcode. 5555. And so everyone who joins this meeting will have to enter this unique passcode. But you've also got this option if you want to make things a little bit more secure. You can choose unique meeting passcodes. When you select here, each participant will receive an email notification. So this option is good if you wanted to send an email notification to each individual participant. Uninvited attendees will not be able to enter the meeting. If not, you can always leave it as the default with no passcode. Conversation and collaboration mode. Over here, you can choose if you'd like it in a classroom mode. And classroom mode would mean that every other participant who joins would initially be muted. And you see they can unmute themselves, but they don't have access to certain tools. Up here, we have the conversation collaboration mode. In this mode, everyone can unmute themselves. They can also share their screen, upload documents, present documents, and use the whiteboard. So what we have built in is webinar mode. And webinar mode is actually free on all of our plans. So by selecting here, it will place you in webinar mode. And you might be asking, why pay more? Why would you pay about $600 just to do a webinar? Some people charge as much as $600 a year. Some also charge $60 to $70 a month for people to do webinars. But do take note that this is really only for large meetings for up to 300 people. On the Plus plan, the maximum is up to 100. So be sure to take note of that. This would not be for large audiences for up to 500 or 1,000. So let's say it's a presentation, which would fall under webinar. You'll select Save. And if you'd like to create a poll, you can create the poll ahead of time. Or if you like, you can create the poll during the meeting. And you'll go ahead and click Next. And right up here, you can enter the email of anyone you'd like to invite. So let's say max@max.com. If that's the person you'd like to invite, you'll select the user and hit Add. Or also, if you'd like to invite a lot of people, and you have it in a CSV file, you can click right here and upload the CSV file. So if we hit Next, you can select the dial-in numbers and Next, and the person you've invited will show up here. I personally did not put in that email, but they'll show up here for you. It'll also show the number of participants you've invited. So now we'll hit Schedule, and that's it. So you can copy, and you can email this to all the people that you've invited. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe so you can receive updates for when we've uploaded a new video. Thank you and see you next time.